Spinach for children. Hi guys, in this video, we are going to cook spinach for children. So watch this video till the end for a quick and easy recipe. Ingredients: 500 grams spinach, 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves, salt, vegetable masala, tomato puree 1 teaspoon 2 teaspoons oil. Method: start heating the oil in a cooking pot. After that, simply add onions and cook them for 5 minutes. Add garlic and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Add spinach, salt, vegetable masala, and tomato puree. Add 1/4 cup of water. Keep mixing and cook for 20 minutes. In the end, you can fry and put an egg on spinach. And that's it, now you can serve it to your baby. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.